Scientific Research, An Introduction by João Gilberto Correa da Silva. This book aims to review the foundations of the scientific approach to knowledge generation, the conceptual and methodological basis of scientific research, and the most common research methods, particularly in biology and agriculture. Science is characterized and distinguished as an approach to knowledge of nature by its objects, methods, and objectives. Objects are natural phenomena, methods, disciplined cooperative research, and a set of objective, systematic, rational, and critical procedures that have been generically called the scientific method, and objective, the construction of a factual, verifiable, and explanatory body of knowledge. The scientific method is the strategy of science to generate knowledge, comprising three sequential phases such as synthesis, analysis, and synthesis. Its implementation is carried out by scientific research. Scientific research is employed in the three phases of the scientific method. In the initial phase of synthesis, to identify scientific problems, in the analysis phase, to try to solve these problems, and in the final synthesis phase, to incorporate the new knowledge generated into the existing body of knowledge. Thus, scientific research comprises systemic research, which focuses on global systems in the initial and final phases, and analytical research, which focuses on subsystems in the analysis phase. The function of the research method is to organize research procedures to minimize error, save effort, and supply an efficient collection of evidence relevant to the research objectives. The literature presents a wide range of research methods, with different procedures and names that vary according to the area of science. Due to their characteristics, each of these methods is most suitable for one of the three objectives of scientific research: exploratory, descriptive, and explanatory, the latter being the objective of the synthesis phases and the first two of the analysis phase. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.